Flynn sentencing delayed again as new lawyers ask for more time. A federal judge on Monday delayed sentencing in the case of former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn, who appeared in court alongside his new legal team for the first time since December. Flynn pleaded guilty. Sidney Powell, a prominent conservative attorney and author, asked U.S. District Judge Emmett G. Sullivan for 90 days to prepare to discuss Flynn's sentence, citing her need to sort through the massive. However, Brandon Van Grack, one of the federal prosecutors handling the case, told Sullivan the government had provided 20,000 pages of documents to the defense, none of which were classified. Sullivan began Monday's hearing by addressing a connection to Powell, who wrote a book favorably mentioning his work and sent his chambers a copy that included a positive dedication to the judge. Sullivan asked. Sullivan ultimately decided to allow the parties to file their next joint status report on August 30, giving Flynn and his team enough time to prepare and work through the final stages of his cooperation with the government. Flynn agreed to cooperate, but Powell confirmed Monday that Flynn will be back in court again in July to testify against Bijan Rafikian, his former Turkish business partner. Rafikian was in. Flynn and his team did not respond to any questions as they left the court.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,